In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund on JoyaGoo. So the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account, click on the very top right where you can see your profile icon, and then click on My Orders, the second thing. Here, you'll be able to see all your orders, and then for those who actually have been paid and of course delivered, and you would like to still get a refund for whatever reason that is, you can go ahead and you'll be able to see one of these buttons over here are going to say refund. If they don't say that, click on details over here and see if you can see your refund button in here. Now, when you click on that refund button or return or whatever it says, you'll be able to go through the refund process and then get your refund. However, if that button is not available for your order, what you can do and what I would recommend is either you click up here at the very top right, where as you can see, you can go to manual messages and you'll be able to see in case you can open up your messages with any of the shop owners who actually sold to you regarding your orders. Or what you can do, what's also going to work, is click on over here at the bottom right, basically, where you can see this headphones icon. Click on that and you can go ahead and chat with their agent. Just tell them, I'd like a refund, and then send it. It's going to ask for your name and then your email, and then you'll be able to go ahead and get in touch with their customer service whenever they are online and whenever they have the working hours, and then you'll get in touch. They will tell you how exactly you can proceed with your refund, and then you'll just do what they say and you'll be good to go. Your refund will be successful. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.